Hello, in this video I will show you how to replace the serpentine belt on Ford Focus Mk3 with a 1.6Ti VCT engine. The serpentine belt on this car is located on the side of the engine. You can see that's the serpentine belt right there. To remove the serpentine belt, we need to go underneath the car. To make it easier to remove the serpentine belt, first we're going to remove this wheel, front hand wheel, and also the wheel arch liner. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. Next we're going to remove the serpentine belt on this engine. There is no serpentine belt tensioner, so we're going to use a ratchet and socket size 18. This belt is elastic, so in order to remove the belt we're going to put the ratchet onto the crankshaft pulley bolt, and we're going to use a pry bar to just pry out the serpentine belt. So now while we're pulling out the serpentine belt, we're going to turn the crankshaft pulley clockwise, and you can see the serpentine belt is coming out. And that's the serpentine belt removed. Now we're going to replace the serpentine belt with a new one. Like I said before, there is no tensioner pulley on this serpentine belt. This serpentine belt is elastic, so in order to put it on all the pulleys, we're going to use a pry bar and also a ratchet to turn the crankshaft. So we're going to put the ratchet on the crankshaft pulley bolt, and we're going to turn the crankshaft pulley. The easiest way to put on the belt is to turn the crankshaft pulley anti-clockwise and just put the pry bar just you see where I put it, and that's how you're going to put on the serpentine belt onto the crankshaft pulley. Here you can see I'm turning the crankshaft pulley anti-clockwise, and the serpentine belt is coming onto the crankshaft pulley. Here you can see the serpentine belt is almost onto the pulleys. Now all you need to do is just bring it all the way onto all the pulleys. Here you can see the serpentine belt is on. Now we're going to turn the crankshaft just to see if everything is alright with the serpentine belt, and we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.